Hi everyone. Today we will guide you through the process of creating and maintaining property tax calculations using an exclusive automated solution offered by Phoenix Business Consulting. The system seamlessly pulls data from multiple sources, enabling swift and precise property tax calculations while eliminating human error and promoting transparency. This solution reduces expenses associated with property tax collection, such as hiring and training staff, as well as keeping paper records. It also improves customer service by offering convenient payment options, including online payments or mobile apps. Let's dive in and explore the benefits. To jump into the process, we head to the Public Sector Taxation Work Center, and we can first create a configuration. Here you can create a new configuration. You can set the default sender email and specify details for customer invoice creation. You can then verify district mapping rates and tax factor mapping that correlate to specific districts or areas. You can save the changes and then establish the foundation for the accurate and efficient tax calculations and invoice generation within the SAP system. These can be created here, or you can also use a bulk upload through the file manager. And you can see that also here within the Work Center. You can create and manage customer properties here by providing necessary details and saving the changes, and these can also be uploaded through the file manager. An example of a customer property. You can generate your invoices and track their progress through the file manager and scheduled jobs area. And then anything that's created, such as a bill, that downloadable attachment is actually accessible inside of the property's attachment tab, which for this property we see here. This is a brief look at this development for tax solutions in SAP Business ByDesign. Implementing SAP Business ByDesign for property tax calculation reduces costs, improves customer service, and increases efficiency. With accurate calculations, streamlined processes, and timely communication, it enhances transparency and compliance. For any questions, please reach out to Phoenix Business Consulting. Thank you very much for watching.